Okay, next call of the day, we are out on an old McLean boiler. Probably from early 80s. Let's see. Looks like we got some pressure. But the landlord's maintenance guy came over here and started. Oh, look at that. End switch doesn't even connect to anything. It just connects to each other. End switch. Doesn't make sense. Gotta find out which thermostat's which. Looks like he jumped it over to run on one thermostat. Here's one thermostat, it looks like. I don't know. He's got this crap running all over. It's time to rewire it. Just cut it and rewire it. So we will prop you guys up over here. Oh, look at me. Let's see if I can. Oh, you gotta stay on the flip pipes. I gotta see. Yeah, it looks like you guys can see somewhat. So let me get a screwdriver. Oh no. Where'd it go? Oh, the camera hit the ground. Oh, you guys okay? Yeah, you guys are fine. Just a little banged up. I don't know how that happened. Okay, so we got some switch wires there. I gotta figure out. That's not even on there. Jeez, Pete. I mean, one of those days where I drop everything. So let's figure out. I got one thermostat calling now, and we're gonna figure out where that's at. Jeez, oh Pete. So I got this white wire coming up here. And we are gonna make one transformer. That comes right off the transformer at the bottom. Transformer that's going to go up to a thermostat. We will jump the end switches. I gotta find out which is which in the end switch. Find out where my thermostat's at. Let's see. And I don't even know which zones. Oh, okay. Well, living room, bedroom. It's marked. calling. I gotta go check upstairs. Let me go check upstairs. Alright, so I found my thermostat. This is my thermostat for that one. The living room. So I got transformer power here, one here, one here. And I'm using this one as a common. The one that's tied to TR is a common. And then what I'll do is I'll take 24 volts up to the thermostat. Right here. And this is my wire coming back down to the thermostat from the thermostat. We're going to power the valve. On TH right here. Okay. And then what I'll have to do is here's my thermostat for the other one. And I will have to power or run a jumper. And I'll run a jumper. Okay, so what I'm going to do is steal power from this one to the other valve, just like EA. So I got 24 volts of power on red, and then I'll take my white here and I will combine it with the white on the zone valve. Basically using the zone valve as a wire nut. Oh, I hate these valves. And I will take my white white over to TR, my other zone valve. And my red is my 24 volts. That's going up to the thermostat. So I will tie that into the thermostat. That goes up to the thermostat. And when the thermostat calls, it sends 24 volts power back down to TR. And I will put that one on TR. Right on. And then I got my end switch jumped to my other end switch, which now I have to find my end switch for the boiler. So this is powering my zone valves right here. So the end switch for the boiler is going to be this one. And that is this wire. This wire is my end switch. Let me get you back up here. I don't know how good of a shot this is. So here's my end switch. The end switch is what turns the boiler on. Thermostat just turns the zone valve on. Just actuates the zone valve. But the end switch in the valve, actually, that's what turns the boiler on. Okay, so what we do is we just jump, piggyback one zone valve to the next, and then we take that back to the boiler. Guy had it all wired wrong. Oh, that didn't work. I really hate these Honeywell zone valve connections. I do. And we'll put this one under here with this one. Alright, so let's start from the beginning. So I got a thermostat here. Oh, wait a minute, let's go down here. 24 volts of power right here up to my thermostats. So I got my 24 volts of power. 24 volts of power coming in here, goes up to this thermostat, jumps over here, goes up to this thermostat. When the thermostat calls, then I have my thermostat wire here, then the 24 volts goes down to here, TR or TH. And to make my circuit complete, I got a common right here on TR. So this goes back, this just jumps over to the other TR right here. Other thermostat runs up, back down to TH, complete my circuit on TR. So once that motor actuates, hits the end switch, then makes a continuity between these two terminals, jumps over to this terminal. So this is, you're just jumping the wire here, and that goes back down, way back down here to my boiler, and that's how you wire zone valves. Not a big deal. You can wire them 10 different ways from Tuesday. So let's spark it up. Ooh, we got some heat, baby. We got some heat. Okay, we're calling there. Let's shut this off and see if it shuts the boiler off. Okay, so I went to shut the boiler off. The main complaint was the boiler would just run. Well, come to find out, didn't have voltage here, and that valve was stuck. But this is how to rewire everything. Everything works. So the zone valve head needs to be replaced, so I'll get that replaced right now. All I'm going to do is wire it back up the same way, and then we'll go from there. But that's going to be it for wiring the zone valve, and I'll make another video on how to replace that head. Alright guys, like and subscribe.